Hey, so today I am about to head out looking for some new decor for my half bathroom. So excited to switch it over. I'm changing everything downstairs back to the neutral decor, and I kind of want everything to flow. So I am taking the half bathroom and taking that blue and that coral out of it that you guys may have seen in my beach bathroom tour. And if you haven't, I'm gonna give you a quick refresher before we get ready to head out. But as you guys know, fall is coming in. I am not a traditional fall decor person. I like the non-traditional colors with the ivories and the beiges and the grays. So that's the reason why I'm switching everything back out, and also the half bathroom, because I just want everything to already be kind of in place. But I am super excited because aside from like looking for new decor stuff to put in there, I also have like a few farmhouse rustic ideas that I want to incorporate in there specifically, and you guys will see that in a second. But yeah, so it's gonna be fun. Super excited to change it out. Anyway guys, so with all that being said, let me just show you what everything looks like now, and then we can just head out and start getting some stuff for my new bathroom. Whoop whoop. Okay, so this is what the bathroom currently looks like now. Still have my beach theme that I redid I think about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, and I can put the link to the video of where I did the half bathroom tour down below in the description box. But the main thing that I want to do in here, I'm gonna keep the beach theme because I love that beach sign right there, and I'm gonna keep this relaxed sign. And I'm still going to keep a lot of the accessories because I'm not changing the theme. But what I am doing is switching it out from this blue and this coral color to just an all neutral palette. I've been purchasing some things, and I'll show you guys those in a separate haul. If I probably had already shown them to you by now, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm looking for some stuff to accent this and to mainly play off this mirror right here. Love that mirror. Yeah, remember when I bought that mirror. And so the main thing in here, like I said, is just gonna be really nice, neutral, very chic, more like farmhouse chic, beach chic, you know what I mean, with my rustic wood and my neutral color tones. So I'm happy to redo this, and it's really easy to redo like a half bathroom because as you guys see, it's not that big of a space. And I'm actually about to head out to Home Depot right now to I'm thinking about getting a wallpaper for this wall right here and just making this like a Shiplap look wall with the wallpaper, since it's not that big and it won't be that hard for me to do. So yeah, going to Home Depot now. I was taking you guys with me to get the wallpaper for this and to get some more ivory towels from Walmart, because when I fold towels up like that, I don't feel like I need to buy expensive towels for that. So I just get those little Walmart towels and put them, as accents. And I'm gonna roll up some more towels down here, but it'll be different colors. Well, it'll be the ivory colors rather. So let's go. All right guys, so I'm looking for this wallpaper right here in Home Depot. I have someone helping me. Okay, where is it? Wallpaper. It's on this aisle here.
Is it 39? Thomas?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay, maybe right. I can
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Look at her, y'all. She's trying to find some wallpaper.
Oh, I don't know if this is wallpaper though. That's drawer liners.
What are you using this for? Oh, we just
The
looking
stick
for
wallpaper. Is my new wallpaper.
yeah, that. That
All this stuff?
helper. She told me to vlog knowing.
Is that one right here?
About to get my nails done for school, guys. I start school August the 6th.
That's what it looks like.
And then I'm getting my hair done. Just waiting for this special
2187, that's
hairstyle.
it.
I'll have my mom do a first day of school vlog.
I would use like do you have painter's tape?
Yeah.
Yeah, just adhere it to the top and at the bottom and see what it looks like from afar.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
No.
So I ended up getting this one. I don't know if you can really see the pattern, but it's like a more of a grayish color. However, I didn't realize that you only got 3 by 8 feet, and I thought you got more. So I'm probably gonna have to get 3 of these, or another alternative is for me to get some flooring tiles and take them up the wall. So I don't know. And if I don't end up doing that, then I'll just paint it gray and keep it moving. But I really wanted it to have like some type of character in there. So this is the gray one, and of course it's too dark. I really want the whitewash look. So this is what I would love to have right here. If I can find this in a peel and stick or something, because this is ceramics. I love this wood. So these are the little cheap towels that I get from Walmart for $2.74 to do like all of my roll-ups and stuff in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of these.
Look at them clothes in the background.
And then these 2.
Those are not ours.
Hold on, how much are these? No, these aren't the right ones. I need to get 2 from up here.
Why are those colors?
Because it's gonna be neutral theme. And I'm gonna roll these up.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
And put them on top of the bars?
And on top of the toilet. So I am about to put the wallpaper on the wall because I want to see exactly like what it's gonna look like. So, I'm gonna tape it up here. But I love the pattern. Like, I love this. This is just so, I just love it. Anyway, it's a different pattern from the one that I showed you guys on my phone, and I'll put the correct pattern down there, but I'll show y'all the right one. But when you, of course it looks funny against this color because this is that yellow tan color, the original color. But this wall over here in the corner with the beach right here, that's a gray. And so it actually looks better against this gray over here. So yeah, I like that. That looks good. That looks really, really good against the gray. And I'm hoping that it's not too dark. Like, I'm hoping that it still goes with my ivory because it has more of a gray wash to it. But we'll see. So I just put some of this masking tape on the back of the wallpaper, and because I want to leave it up for a while. So let's go up here. I am so short. I don't even think I can't even go all the way to the top. I can't even go all the way to the top. Anyway, dang, your girl is short. Okay, that's good enough. Just to give me an idea. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh. You see how it kind of looks off if you show this wall right here. But if I take that out and all you see is the Shiplap wall and the gray wall, it is beautiful. I love it. So it looks like I'm going to need one more roll of this. So I'm going to go back to Home Depot today and get another roll. And that will cover this whole wall back here. So I will have this finished today. And I am in love with this. And the pattern is, let's see. And the pattern for this one is the gray wood plank. So it's not the one I originally showed you guys on the phone. I was trying to find the SKU. Here it is right here. So if you like it, this is the one. So I'm back at the Home Depot and I ran across some peel and stick flooring. And I'm thinking about sticking the floor or tiling the floor, whatever. They have this color, which is a gray ash, and then this one is a taupe. And I love this one. I love that one too. So I'm really thinking about taking the time to just re-stick it, and I will only need one box because the bathroom is really small, so it's like very inexpensive to like redo it like this. So let's see. I actually didn't even come in here for this. I came in here to get the other roll of wallpaper for the bathroom, and then I started looking at these and was like, wow, this would be like super easy. And a lot of them come in a box, and you guys see how small that bathroom is. I really think I want to do that because I don't like the flooring that's in there. I think the flooring is going to clash with the color, but we'll see. Like I said, I'm not trying to like just do too much, but one box of this is only like $34, so psh, that's not bad. And then the wallpaper combined to redo the bathroom is not even, it's less than $200, you know what I mean? So I can work with that. And then y'all, that's the bathroom that everybody sees when they walk in my house. That's the bathroom that everyone uses, all the guests use. So it's the bathroom that I really want to like look to like flow with everything else and look really, really nice. Alright guys, so this is what the wallpaper looks like so far. I've got 2 rows done, and then I just have to do the other 2 rows, and I love it. It's going so good in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So I found this little shelf right here at the Hobby Lobby. It was only, I think, around $20 because the wood was half off, which was perfect. And it is so nice with the whole little, it's got my whole little rustic farmhouse vibes going on. And then you guys remember me getting the towels. So I have rolled them up and put them in the same little basket that I already had. But they're going to go on the shelf, and I'm going to get some more to go in here.